it's really hard to imagine how you can survive without being able how to write. Writing triggers certain cognitive processes that do much more in our human brain than just writing. So I personally can remember things better, think through things better when I write them down. From that perspective, I think people will miss out if they can't write. On the other hand, maybe new generations have different skill sets that can be equally beneficial for an institution, for an organization. I think it's the most critical for a thriving business or company to have very clear values, a clear vision, and a really good program that understands all their employees, from early stage employees, new joiners, to executive leaders, and really has the right tools for their continuous professional development and also internal tools to unite them and actually drive the company vision and productivity further.